Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install College Football 27 EA Play free trial on Xbox Series S or X. So before downloading the free trial, we need to make sure that we have active EA Play subscription or Xbox Ultimate Game Pass. Once you have one of them, then all we have to do is just go to the Microsoft Store or open this search bar. So I'll just open this Microsoft Store on my Xbox. After that, select the search option from here, and now on the search bar we need to type here College Football 27. Once you search for it, then we have to carefully select this edition which says choose edition without any price tag. So just select this edition from here. After that, just select the first option which says not sold separately. So just select this edition from here. After that, we'll see choose edition option and free trial option. Once you select the free trial with EA Play, then you will be taken to the installation page where we just have to select install all, and then College Football 27 free trial will be installed on your console. So this is the whole process. You just need to have active EA Play subscription or Ultimate Game Pass. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.